3號強風信號現正生效，天文台考慮喺下晝3點至6點之間，以強烈季候風信號取代熱帶氣旋警告信號。天文台表示，蝴蝶正橫過廣東北部，有關外圍雨帶為廣東沿岸帶嚟狂風驟雨。本港下晝仍然吹強風，高地間中達烈風程度，但風力會逐步緩和。
The observatory says it plans to replace the strong wind signal number 3 with a strong monsoon signal between 3 and 6 p.m. today. This comes as tropical depression Wu-tip moves inland in Guangdong. Forecasters say that under the influence of a southwesterly airstream, winds in Hong Kong will still be strong this afternoon, occasionally up to gale force on high ground. Heavy showers are also expected for Monday and Tuesday.
3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41到62公里。過去幾個鐘，熱帶低氣壓蝴蝶繼續遠離本港，本地風力亦都逐步緩和，但受其南側嘅西南氣流影響，本港今日餘下時間仍然會間中吹強風，高地亦都可達烈風程度。天文台將會喺下晝3點40分取消所有熱帶氣旋警告信號，並隨即發出強烈季候風信號。
The strong wind signal, number 3, is in force. The observatory says that all tropical cyclone warning signals will cancel at 3:40 this afternoon. In the past few hours, Wu-tip continued to depart from Hong Kong. Local winds also moderated progressively. However, under the influence of the southwesterly airstream to its south, local winds will still be occasionally strong for the rest of today, reaching gale force on high ground. The observatory will cancel all tropical cyclone warning signals at 3:40 p.m. and issue the strong monsoon signal shortly afterwards.